chords and everything of the song, then keep on watching and do subscribe to my channel. Now let's move to the video. So first we have this tune. So how are we gonna play it? Come on, B, and it's like 1 2 3 1 2 3. Come on, D sharp. 1 2 3 4. Come on, G. 1 2 3. So 1 2 3 4 1 2 3. This is the first time. Now the second time there is a little difference. So 1 2 3 1 2 3. B A G A G E E. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. B A G A G E E. So this is the tune, and so this is the tune, and we will repeat it twice. So it's like. Then we have. Okay, so how are we gonna play it? Come on, E, and it's like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So just play it once, and then we will add it with our left hand. So like. Okay, now the second time there is a little change. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So E D E B. So the first time we have. The second time. Okay, so it's like when we play both, it's like. So just repeat it twice. Now we have. So different octave. So I have to move my camera. It's like, come on, E and F sharp. So now we have E F sharp. So we will repeat E F sharp 16 times. So we will repeat this E F sharp 16 times. 1 2 3 4 5. So 16 times. And after that we have the guitar thing. So just come on, E and E together. This E together, and A. And from here A. Twice. Wait, then again. And then we have a melody with our right hand. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So E D B A G F sharp. And after that we have a tune with our both hands. So let me play with my right hand first. So it's like. So 1 2 3 4. Come on, F sharp. F sharp, G, A, G, da, da, da. This is the first time. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 notes. Then the second time we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So 1 2 3 4 da 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 da. So that's it. Now let's add our left hand. So it's like. E B G G D A G D, then A E A, then A B C A G D. So this is the first line. The second line is like. Okay. Then come on together. So it's like. Okay, so I will write up there. Now the second line is like. So let me tell you. E B G D, then D A G D, then A C sharp E, then A C C B F sharp. So ये है. Then उसके बाद then come on A again. So I will write up there. Don't worry, the song is very easy. And if you practice, like if you will write down the notes, the song is very easy. Hope you guys have liked it. Give it a big thumbs up.